They start talking about rugby. They start talking about the rugby union. They started bringing out names of people who would be best for the board.
Yeah. Filippo Saenga. Brian Limavai. Only Michael Jones.
You know, this name and that, Faftai should be on the bin, this, that. This is my thought process. How can you talk about trying to fix Rugby Samoa when you can't even fix the Samoan government? Like, how the hell does that make logical sense? You guys can't even fix up airlines. You cancel your boat project. There's no new developments. Medicine shortages, damages in buildings. You got holes in the wall. Power outages. Power outages. Samoa is suffering from power outages. And this is how you can see in the media how BS their politics is.
Yeah.
Oh, we should get Tulepa out, HRPP. They should all get out. Give it a rest. Give it a rest. Bring some new faces in. Bring some new people in. The same people and the same government can't even get an airplane for us that has power outages. Guys, Samoa is suffering from power outages, and you guys are complaining about, oh, we should get this person. We should get rid of HRPP. Politics, guys. I mean, where's the logic? I'm trying to understand the logic behind what you're saying. Common sense, the logic. You know, fair enough, you got an argument. You guys don't have an argument. I already had the video out there about rugby union, talking about what Samoan rugby union have to deal with, the good governance to having to put the money here, and there. For them to even get on our rugby board, I 100% guarantee trying to get players is the solution. I 100% guarantee that's not the solution.
Belgium beat Samoa. Romania beat Samoa. Uruguay beat Samoa. You are making us disappear from the map.
How can you blame the admin for whatever they got? How can you blame them for the performance of the players that are playing on the field? This is how arrogant our people have become. They forget to be grateful for where we come from, the cards that we've been played.
Darren Garrett, Ronnie Clark, Frank Pant. I live for a Nico.
You say, we should bring this man Faftai, we should bring that guy here, we should bring that guy. There's heaps of people that can do the job. Really? Yep, power outages. Are you guys all right in the...
Are you up there in the brain?
Are you guys all right in the mentality?
Are you up there in the mentality?
Guys, I don't mean to laugh about it because it's sad what's happening, but I laugh because it's just so much BS.
As long as business class, earphones, free hotel, and free hotel.
I cannot believe how much BS and our people eat it all up. And then they come and argue with us and argue with all the other people.